Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the now. A revolutionary force transforming industries, reshaping possibilities, and unlocking untapped potential for businesses worldwide. In a world where speed and personalization define success, AI is your edge. It drives efficiency, accelerates decision-making, and delivers experiences your customers didn't even know they wanted. Imagine your business with AI, smarter, faster, and always one step ahead. Across industries, pioneers are harnessing the power of AI to dominate their markets. From manufacturing to healthcare, these success stories prove one thing: the businesses of tomorrow are those embracing AI today. The question isn't if your business needs AI. The question is, how far can it take you? Don't wait for the future to happen. Create it. Integrate AI now and redefine your success story.